the art supply store is finally open after it's been closed for I don't know how many months because of the whole pandemic. But I did finally go inside the store today. I wanted to try something new that I've been wanting, that I've been seeing. It's this new gouache. Oh, there's these type of paints that I've been wanting to try. Actually, a bunch of little ones, different colors. And then, so I'm gonna start my new project. So my new project is basically, I'm gonna do like a mini mural. So I'm gonna paint the door, so I'm just gonna mix all this together and see what I come up with. So this is a door, and I'm thinking I'm just gonna end up spray painting it white first. That was the worst idea. I shouldn't have spray painted. I think I'm gonna just have to paint it white instead of just moving on to plan B. Plan B is instead of spray painting it, we're gonna actually paint it white. If I can open this, I thought there was no paint on the other one, so I got a new one. So this is plan C. Turns out I actually ended up using gray instead of white. I thought it was white. Well, it looked white. So while I wait for it to dry, I did have something to say though, because someone messaged me on Instagram and decided to tell me that I'm much better at designing than I am at painting. Well, I mean, not everybody's gonna like me painting, which is fine. I've accepted that not everybody's gonna like what you do. But that doesn't mean I'm gonna stop painting. It actually helped by telling me this, because now it just makes me want to paint even more, because painting does take years and practice. It's not that simple. And you know, when you love something, you keep going and you get better and better. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Like, if I stop painting because I listen to someone, then that's a waste of time. Like, I'm not gonna be doing that. So to the person that told me that I do better at designs than I do painting, thank you. I appreciate your comment. But yeah, I just don't care, because I'm gonna keep painting and this door is gonna look amazing. So I think because the door was matte and then putting paint over it, it kind of helped a little bit in some way, but it is kind of making it a little bit harder to paint. So I have to add a lot of water to dilute my paint for it, but I'm just gonna have to manage. so far. I just painted it white and now I'm just gonna add some color.
Like that.
this flower came out looking like cotton candy. But for some reason I like it. I'm actually almost done. I could actually finish this tonight, but I don't want to. I ended up just taking pictures first because I want to play around with what color background I'm going to put on here. So I'm going to do this on Procreate and see what I think. So I just finished my mural, and then now I just need to finish varnishing it. I did a little bit last night, and then it just finally took me a while to figure out the background. This is how it looks. Again, I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you guys enjoy this as much as I did. Yeah, so I guess we'll see you guys again next week.